B2B distributor of building supplies serving the residential and commercial markets, mostly roofing shingles, siding, doors, windows, so that sort of thing. So I came aboard about 4 years ago. I'm coming up on my 4-year anniversary in June. I come from a technology background for much of my career, private equity back. So to find myself at Richard's Building Supply, which is a 44-year-old family-owned business, is quite the departure, but definitely understand the benefits of technology and mirroring that up with any kind of industry. Through a very excruciatingly painful array of spreadsheets, a lot of fraught with a lot of human error, complexities, and it's very frustrating. A lot of breakdowns in communication. Those that negotiate the deals are not necessarily the ones that are calculating it. Those that calculate it are not necessarily the ones that have negotiated it. And there's a lot that gets lost in translation. Not everything that comes out in a vendor negotiation is apparent from the contractual language. So that causes issues. Really, I wanted to free up a lot of the human capital time. We have some very bright individuals who spend a lot of time doing spreadsheet jockeying and wanted to unlock their value. I do have concerns about the war for talent, the great resignation, and I wanted to make sure that Richards is set up for scalability. So introducing this platform, I think, helps us. I picked Enable for a few reasons. It looked like a very elegant solution, and it certainly checked the box to all of the issues that we were having internally. And frankly, when I did a search and I asked around, there weren't too many players, so it's quite the niche space that you found. It's been really good so far. I think we're in week 5 or week 6 of the implementation process. What's great about it is the Enable team is really pushing us and they're project managing it. I've been involved in projects like this in the past where without a regimented project management function, those things seem to falter, and not having that problem with Enable. Plus the CX guide that you use is pretty intuitive, so that's great to follow. Definitely the maximization of the calculation as well as the eventual collection. Also having visibility to the gaps to the gates. That has been problematic for us because we used to just close on rebates on a monthly basis with the financial close. So to be able to have real-time visibility is huge for us. And then the third, I think, is really, again, getting back to freeing up our internal resources to work on other value-add things. I think it gets back to the scalability. We have, call it 4 to 5 individuals who are involved in that process. If any one of them goes or something traumatic happens, we lose all of that intelligence. So housing that within the Enable software gives us a way to continue. I would say don't get too caught up in the cost benefit. The cost benefit will be there. But definitely aligning the roles and responsibilities, who's going to champion the Enable product at post-implementation. I won't say that Richards has that figured out. We knew it's the right thing to do, so we're charging forward. Now we're finding out where that sits within the organization, whether it's an operational thing, accounting thing, finance thing. I think the key to success is having that all straightened out.